Moving on to our second lesson, I am here with Zachary, the mechanical trainer here at Lex Brodie's, and he's going to be telling us here about the wheel alignment of a car. So, what is the wheel alignment?
Wheel alignment is basically trying to just line up all four of your tires in a direction in which the manufacturer wants them to be. So it has a lot to do with tire wear, and it also has a lot to do with steerability.
And why is it important?
It's very important, of course, to have control of your car. We don't want our car just leaving our hands and going to the right or going to the left, as an example. Mm-hmm.
So if I'm driving, what are some warning signs?
Warning signs would be pushing or pulling. Okay. The other warning sign would be if you inspect your tires very well and you notice uneven wear in the tire. Okay. So it's always good to do a pre-alignment check or an alignment check, especially when you change your tires, because that's usually when you catch or you see most of the problems. Okay. Basically, we recommend checking alignment every 6 months. Okay. The object is to preventive maintenance. Rather than waiting for the tire to wear out, try to catch it before it does that.
I understand that there is both balancing and wheel alignment. What's the difference between the two?
Well, alignment is just what we described earlier. It's basically the angles of the tire. Balancing, whenever you change a tire, put a new tire on a rim, it has weights, or its internal weights are not perfectly round. And that has to do with vibration, higher speed vibration. The tire actually shakes like a washing machine if it's unbalanced. So that's the difference. Totally two different things.
Right. So we can come to Lex Brodie's for the wheel alignment, come to you, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So if you guys need any wheel alignment for your car or learn more about it here from Zachary, you can come on down to Lex Brodie's and find out more. Thank you, Lex Brodie's. Thank you very much.
Lex Brodie's Tire Company.